What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's video I will be showing you guys how you guys can reset the password of your Citibank's online banking account. Now it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move forward, shall we? First step, search for Citibank login and click on citi.com online banking over here, and it'll take you to this website. Over here, click on versus forgot password, and it's gonna take you to the passport reset page. Once you're over here, you can enter your bank or your credit card or your customer number or your mortgage number. Basically, you can choose whichever method of information you want to provide. After choosing that, enter the information according to that. Click and continue. It's gonna ask you for some more information after this. After it verifies that this account belongs to you, it's gonna take you to the passport reset page where you guys can enter a new passport. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye everybody.